Welcome to Madeline Korea's cooking channel, and today I'm going to make a vegetable with red masala of this vegetable called the ridge gourd. It's called the ridge gourd because it has ridges. Now, I will teach you how to clean it. Cut the edges. Just remove the ridges. You don't have to remove the whole skin, only feel the ridges. And actually, with this skin also you can make chutney, but today I don't wish to do. Next time I will show you how to do. So the other ones I previously skinned it and kept it here. So I have got, wash it thoroughly. And now we have to cut it. But remember, before cutting it, you have to taste each ridge gourd because there is a possibility of it being bitter. Okay, you have to taste it. So what I do with my fingers, I will and put it in the mouth. It's good. Good. So everything I have to test, because every bitter gourd is different. And these are tender, even if you swallow, nothing happens. I found this bitter. I'll make it doubly sure. Bitter. So before cutting I tasted it to see it was bitter. There was only one that was bitter. All others, if you cut like this, small cubes. And one thing nice about this is it's tender. Understood? And the ones which are seasoned have seeds inside, which you have to de-seed the vegetable. But these are tender, good ones. Now I've kept the vessel to cook the ridge gourd. Put in 5 spoons of coconut oil. The oil is hot. Make the gas to medium. Put some mustard seeds. After spurs, put seeds, cumin seeds. A few. This is the gram dal. Okay. Then I put in this 3 red chilies, dried ones. Then 2 chopped green chilies. Reduce the flame. And 1 teaspoon of chopped garlic. Half a teaspoon of ginger chopped. Stir it. 2 chopped onions. Fry them till they are translucent. We increase the flame to medium. Put in 2 chopped tomatoes, ripe ones. Fry it till tomatoes become soft. Let the tomatoes get fried and become soft. Asafoetida, This is my small spoon, flat. Turmeric powder. Put in chili powder, chili masala. 3 teaspoons of chili masala. The gas is on high. And you must have seen me wash this, taste it to see if it is bitter, cut it and now put it in. And now I put salt to taste. Water as much as this gets. Okay, this is a different variation. Sometimes when these are tender, we don't put water, cook it in its own water, but here this is a different recipe. Let it get cooked. Cover it and cook it on medium flame. I will just stir to see. I will put in the scraped coconut, okay, handful of. Keep it for another 2 minutes to cook. Let the flame be high. Remember to cook it on high flame. I'm reducing it because every time I open I'm scared of the steam. Okay, it is done. I will garnish with. I always like this herb. It is not harmful. It is cooked. Just stir it and put it off. So my rich gourd vegetable is done. Okay, you can put more coconut because it is very nice, and I hope you will cook and like. Just follow my recipe word to word. Okay, thank you and welcome to my channel. Please put in your comments. Thank you.